Hi. Can I sit here?
Oh, hey. Yes, of course. Please sit.
Thanks. How was your day?
It was good. A little busy, but fine. How about you?
Same here. I had a lot of work, but now I feel relaxed.
That's nice. So, do you come here often?
Sometimes. I like this place because it's quiet. Do you come here?
Yes, I come when I need peace. And I love the coffee here.
Me too. By the way, what's your favorite drink?
I usually order cappuccino. What about you?
I like cold coffee. Especially when it's hot outside.
Oh, same. Cold coffee is the best in summer.
Exactly. Maybe one day we can order together.
That sounds nice.
By the way, do you like reading books or watching movies?
I love both, but I watch more movies. What about you?
I like movies too. Maybe we can watch one together sometime.
That would be fun.
Great. So, what kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedy and romance. And you?
I like comedy too. It makes me happy.
That's true. Laughing is the best.
Yeah. And talking with you feels good too.
Oh, that's sweet. Thank you.
I mean it. You always make the day brighter.
You're so kind. I'm glad we're talking.
Me too. Maybe after class tomorrow, we can meet again.
Sure. I'd like that.
Perfect. Then it's a plan.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
See you. Take care.